Hey kids, it's time to learn colors with Thomas and friends. We have our magic colors, and we have our magic paintbrush. Let's begin! Oh no, Henry has lost all of his color. What color should Henry be, magic paintbrush? Green, that's right! Henry's main color is green. But wait, Thomas has lost all of his color too. What color should he be? That's right, magic paintbrush. Thomas's main color is blue. There's Flynn, but he has no color at all. What color should he be? Brown? That's not right, magic paintbrush. Try again. Red. That's right. Fiery Flynn's main color is red. There's Oliver, but he needs some color fast. What color should he be? That's correct, magic paintbrush. Oliver's main color is orange. There's Victor, but he sure could use some color. What color should he be? Pink? Are you sure, magic paintbrush? Please try again. Red, that's right. Victor's main color is red. Good work. There's Ryan. He sure could use some color. What do you think, magic paintbrush? Purple, that's right. Ryan's main color is purple. Doesn't he look great? Wow, what's wrong with Kevin? He doesn't look quite right. Do your magic, Mr. Paintbrush. Very nice. Kevin's main color is yellow. He looks wonderful. What color will you show us next, magic paintbrush? White. That's a splendid color. Harold the helicopter's main color is white. Now what color will you show us? Black. Black is Hero's main color. He's the master of the railway. What color is next? Oh, gray. Spencer is a very fast engine, and his main color is gray. Now let's review our colors one more time. Red. Green. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Pink. Brown. Purple. Black. White. And gray. Thanks for your help, magic paintbrush. See you next time, kids. Please like and subscribe.